Okay, but before starting with the Java scripting writing, so is there anyone who's still facing issues with the installation of Java and Eclipse? Just make sure everybody installed yesterday Java and Eclipse successfully. Okay. It seems that you guys already installed it. Sorry, Abdul, I didn't get you. Which download is better for Windows? You mean what? I didn't got your point. You means for Eclipse or no JDK of Java?
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. The question is here, sir. When I'm downloading the Java,
Okay.
it says like installer, like something else which I forgot right now. Which one is good for Windows that we can download it and install it?
Okay, you need to install with you need to go with the installer. JDK Java installer.
Installer. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, sure. Abdul Tawab, you didn't install. Why? What is the reason? Did you watch yesterday video? So it seems that you were absent yesterday. Just try to rewatch the yesterday video, so you will definitely install the Java. Okay, what about Hamdard? Hamdard is present here. Yeah, Feroz, it's okay, definitely. Okay, with no further delay, I will share my screen. Let's jump in. Just everybody, those who install Java and run the Eclipse on their computer, install that. So go ahead, open the Eclipse. If you guys facing any issues, just tell me at the time of opening Eclipse.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I did install the Eclipse. Can I share my screen?
Okay, go ahead. Let me allow you. Yeah, go ahead now. Okay, Sonia, do one thing. Just check that box. You use this as a default. Yeah, check this one. Launch.
Should I do again?
I guess you opened it. Launch. Okay, just do one thing. click on the cross mark. Click on the cross mark. I close this. I guess you have opened Eclipse. Okay, just double click on that. I'll show you. Just everybody make sure that your Eclipse is working fine. Okay, click on choose. Now do one thing, Sonia. Just remove that dash between Eclipse and Workspace, which is in highlighted in blue. Just remove that, click there. Yeah, remove that dash. Now launch.
And close this one too.
Yeah, you have to close because you opened it many times. Close this one also. Just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. It will start.
So this one should be open only one time. That's the problem.
Yes, Sonia. Whenever you click on launch and check mark that box, so it will be opening next time directly. Yeah, so right. Okay, Sonia, let's do one thing. Can you see that on your taskbar you have two Eclipse option? Two
Yes.
Eclipse icon. Just go on the right hand side, hover on the right hand side with your mouse. Okay, close this one. No, yeah, close the right one. No, not this, not this, not this. Close the right one. Yeah, because it opened twice. Close that. Great. Now maximize your screen and watch whatever step I'm doing. Okay, now you're good to go. You can stop your sharing.
Thank you.
Guys, everybody just follow like Sonia did. Just make confirm on the chat box that you guys on the same screen which I am. Confirm it in the chat box. Everyone confirm it. Okay, great. And that you did it in the installation? Okay, great, Hamdan. Okay, great. Guys, now this is the environment of the IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment which gives you all the facility which you need for developing the Java applications or Java code base. Now, in the right-hand side, you can see there is a one panel. We don't need that. Just there is a cross button which is written down outline. We can close that so that we can get the wider screen. Right and left hand side, you can even make this a little bit smaller so that you can get the wider screen on code section right here. Now your next job is, first of all, we need to create a project. Each and every time that we are doing a coding or any stuff, we need to create a project for that. For creating project in Eclipse, we have to do it. You have to go to your file on the menu on the upper left section of the Eclipse window. You can see that here we have file, edit, source, refactor, navigator. These stuffs we have. Can you see that? You have to go click on file. Click on file just. Once you click on file, guys, your next task is to hover on new. Whenever you hover on new, just come to the next panel, which is open through hover on new button. So your next job is to create what? To create Java project. You have to create what? Java project. But before that, do not click anything. Before that, we need to do some sort of setting. For that, just don't create any project. Come to the right hand side. Come to the right hand side of the screen. Right here, we can see that we have open perspective. Beside search button and between the other, we have Java, we have search. Between them, we have one icon with the star, yellow star on the left right hand side of the box. We have open perspective. When you hover on that, it says that open perspective. Click on that. Once you click on that, and here you have to select the Java default. Once you click on Java default, you have to click on open. Now your environment is set to Java default. Now next job is you did configuration with the core Java. Now next job is, again, go to file menu, click on hover on new, just come directly slowly to the right hand side, and here right here click on Java project. Just click on Java project once you come to the right hand side of the pop-up screen. Once you click on that, a pop-up window will open for you. It will ask for a project name. That what will be your project name? I will give the project name as a Java basic. This rule says that do not put any kind of space or extra thing, but if you want to add any space, so you can add underscores or something with that. But in my case, follow the snake case. Snake case, what it says with snake case? Snake case is the case. Let me make sure with the notepad. Let me zoom it a little bit for you. What is snake case, guys? Snake case is that case when we combine two words, the first letter of each word must be capital, like this one, which I add, basic. Now this is what? This is my snake case because word of the basic, which we start with B is capital, and word of Java, which we start at J is capital. So this is called a snake case. We have camel case also. Camel case, what does it say with camel case? That if we write like this, Java basic, this is camel case. That first letter of the word is small, and in between, if we combine other words with that, letter should be capital, first letter. This is camel case, guys, and this is snake case. Just keep in mind. Now we added with this snake case. So Java basic. Your next target is to directly click on finish. We have a finish button right here. So click on finish. Once you clicked on finish, on the left hand side of the screen, you can see that a project folder structure is created for you with the name of Java Basic. On the left hand side, if you see, we have a Java Basic folder structure. Now, beside that Java Basic folder structure, we have one drop down button. Just click on that so that we can expand the folder structure. Once you click on that, inside that we have GRE system library and SRC folder. What is GRE system library? GRE system library is nothing but those files which is already written and built in with the Java. This is the code base which you can use the predefined function. Now the question arises in your mind, what is predefined function? Don't worry, guys. We will study everything. After once we write our program, you will learn that what is this GRE. But as of now, just consider it as a library. It is the helper library which we can write the codes with the Java. Or we can say that it is the rule book of the Java syntax or grammar, that everything you write here, it is mentioned right in here. If we made a mistake in that, so the Eclipse IDE will notice that, hey, you did a spelling mistake or something right here. The Eclipse IDE take the reference from where? Right from this GRE system library book. So this is the helper library book, so that it makes sure that our syntax is correct. Now, your target is to just expand the SRC folder. Just click on expandable button. We have Moodle here, so we don't need that. Now your duty is to select this, right click on SRC. Once you select that, right click on SRC, just like you create Java project, come to new, and now it is time to create a package, guys. What is package? We will see later on. But for now, just follow the steps. Now, once you select the SRC folder, right click on that, hover on new, just in a new pop-up, right-hand pop-up modal window which is opened, click on package, guys. Can you see the package on my screen? This is the package. Just try to select that. Click on the package. Once you click on the package, you can name the package Basic Java Practice. We can give the name, or Basic Java. We can make it Basic Java. Now I will click on finish. That much it was easy, that we create a package. Now all of the program that I'm creating, I'm writing, or I'm practicing in basic or fundamental of the Java, we will be storing in basic Java package. This is my Java project. This is a big project that we get, big folder structure. This is GRE library system. Inside source folder, SRC is nothing but source folder. I have what? I have basic Java package. Now, with that, I want to do what? I will select the basic package now, like you did for SRC, and then right click on that. Once you right click on that, just open and come to the new, hover on new. And now it is your duty is to create a class. Now your next job is you create a Java project, you create a package. Now next target is to click on the what? On class. Classes with the green icon. You can see that it is C+ with the green icon. So written down in front of that, it is class. So click on that. Once you click on that, a pop-up window will be opened. Above here, they mentioned your source folder. This is your package basic Java that you have taken. Inside that, you're creating a file. So right now I'm creating a source file, which I'm writing the code inside that. So now I need to give the file name. So right here, I will give a name like Hello World. Hello World is my file name. So right below that, guys, we have to check mark this public static void main string. We have to click check mark that, so that the structure of the code should be already created and comes to us, so that we don't need to bother ourselves with that. So just try to check mark this public static void main. Once you check mark that, now we have to click on finish. Here we have finish button. Just click on that. Once you clicked on that, just wait a little bit. A structure of Java code will be created for you like this. Just try to remove this comment. This is the structure of the Java code, which we are writing the code inside that. Now, what is this package? Package basic Java. It is the name of the package which you have created. You can see that on left hand side, I have basic Java. This is the name of the package, basic Java. It means that inside the package of basic Java, I created this file, hello world. Now, what is this public class hello world? Later on, once we start with the oops concept, you will understand the concept of class. You will understand the concept of this public. What does it mean, this public? As of now, just assume that these things are predefined with this. Now your task is to only write a code where? Write a code inside the body. Now, before that, we need to understand some concept. Guys, this brackets are called curly brackets. This bracket is nothing. Look, I'm writing here. These brackets are curly bracket, which we call. Now, inside that bracket, this is the opening bracket. This is the closing bracket. Let me write down in front of that, opening and closing. These opening and closing, this is the start of the body. We can say, we can name it starting of the body. Starting of the body. And this is ending of the body. This is, just keep this terminology or this concept in mind. Now I will erase this. Now, what is this, guys? This is the opening of the body. Now, what is this? This is closing of the body. Rules of Java says that each and every time that you start opening body, or you open the curly bracket, you need to close that curly bracket as well, so that we consider this is a one block. We can say that. Now, guys, the question arises in your mind, why these texts are getting different color, but these texts are in different color? Guys, this is the rules and grammar of the Java, which James Gosling set at the time of creation of the Java. Now, whoever using Eclipse IDE development, Eclipse people just program that these things, public, static, void, which get their color changed, these are predefined keyword or structure. As of now, just consider it as a keyword. These things are defined inside what? These things are defined inside this GRE system library, which we have on left hand side. These syntax or these grammar take their reference from GRE system library that tells our system, that tells the compiler of the Java. What is compiler? Compiler is the translator. Now we will see that. I will explain it step by step. Now this structure explain what? This structure explains that everything, whenever you're writing inside Java, you need to start the execution from main. Whatever later on you will learn classes and we will create our own user-defined classes. So our starting or entry point of the program will be from main. Just keep in mind in first lecture that everything starts from this body in Java programming. Whatever you write 1,000 lines of code, but everything, the entry gate of the execution of the program is started from main. So this is a must important syntax or file for you, that if you have a file with the main, so that will be the executable file for you. Till this point, hope everything is clear. Any question till this point, guys? Okay, Sonia, are you ready?
I'm sorry, sir. I just select on Java Basic, and after that, I didn't find that corner site to select and go ahead.
Okay, you create the package.
Yes.
Okay, now select, click on that package. Just try to select that like this. make it blue, highlight it in blue. Just click on that. Once you click on that, just now try to right click on that. Sonia, you right click on that.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead, share your screen. Maximize your screen. Just try to expand that Java basic. Expand it. Now come to the SRC, expand the SRC as well. Expand it. It seems that you didn't create anything. So click on the SRC. Now click on the SRC. Now right click on the SRC. Now do the right click. Sonia, right click. Do not drag and drop. Right click on that.
It's not working.
Just wait a second.
Okay.
Okay. Just give me a control, Sonia.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can see it comes, just you need to click
Yes.
once, right click. Now try to
Okay.
slowly hover on the new. You come to, you create the package. You have to create the package. So I'll click on the package. Once you create the package, just give it Java basic or basic Java. Basic Java. I'll click on finish. So the package is created. Now you need to select the package. The package is already selected. So right click on that. Come to the new. Just hover on new. Just come to the class. Click on the class. Once you click on the class, just give the file name. I will give it hello world. Hello world. Now after that, you need to check mark this box, public static void main. Once you click on that, click on finish. You are all set, Sonia. Now just try to remove this comment. This is not important. This is unnecessary thing. Okay. Wait a second. I just removed that. You're all set, Sonia. Now everything is.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Okay, Marina, what's your issue? You can stop your sharing.
Hello, sir. I joined the class and I don't know what's going on. Can you help me with this thing?
Okay, Sonia, just you did install the Eclipse yesterday, am I right?
Yes, I did.
Okay, open your Eclipse. Go ahead, share your screen first.
Okay.
Just try to join on time, Sonia, Marina.
Okay.
Open the Eclipse.
Now,
yeah, now try to do what? Your Java configuration is selected by default. Now go to the file menu on the left-hand side upper. You can see that file. Now come to the new, hover on new, hover. Try to come to the, yeah, now click on Java project. Now give a project name like Java Basic. Excellent. Now click on finish. Now your Java Basic folder structure project is created. Expand it. Click on expand it. Yeah. Now click on SRC. Select the SRC folder. Yeah, select the SRC folder. Now to right click on that. Okay, new. Hover on new. Yeah, come to the right hand side and click on package. Package, Sonia. Marina package. Now give the package name basic Java, anything you can give, even you can give your name as well. Anything. Finish. Now it is selected. So right click on Marina package. New class. Yeah, class. Now give the class name hello world. Hello world. No, don't give a space. Marina, don't give a space. It will consider it as an no. Click on public. You're too much in rush, Marina. That's okay. That's okay.
I think it's
Yeah,
done.
and it's done, but you missed something. I will copy and paste something. Just get it from the chat box, okay?
Okay, thank
Try
you.
to wait a second. Just try copy and paste this thing from the chat box. Just get whatever I pasted in the chat box and paste it inside the line number 4. Before finishing everything, okay, just whenever you're creating a file, just check mark that public static void main, okay? Copy that, Marina, from the chat box and paste it in line number 4. Yeah. Now you're good to go, Marina. Your file is created. Now follow my screen, okay? You can stop your sharing. Anyone else who is facing issue? Okay. Now, guys, next target is that we have to print something at least on console. Now we set our structure folder. Now we need to see that how we will generate some texture data in Eclipse, or we have to write one basic program that at least say hello to us. Now, how we will create that? For displaying anything on the screen, guys, we have one function. What is function? It has a big theory behind that, but as of now, consider it as a predefined function. Predefined function means that something already made it for you, something made by the developer of the Java. You don't need to be worried about that. You just take it and use it. For that, for displaying, we have system dot out dot print ln. Put a semicolon. Now, in between the round bracket, you need to put double quotes. Now, inside double quotes, you have to write hello. Give a space, anything you can give word. Now, I have written down a script. This is my predefined function, guys, system.out.println, that it will display the record or data of hello world on the screen for me. Now, how I can run this script, how to run this, and now I have written down, I have write it. So how could I run it? So for running on the top of the screen, you can see that we have a lots of icon right here. Can you track my mouse? For that, you need to click on this green playable button, like we have a play icon on that. So if we hover on that, it will come run hello world Java. Now, if I click on that, it will run the Java program for me. Now, on the bottom of the screen, if I a little bit scroll it up, you can see that this is my screen. This is the console which I can see. Now it prints for me hello world. Now I successfully write my first program inside Java. This is your first beginning program that you write inside Java. This is the hello world program which I have written down. Now your duty is to do what? To write down this. Go ahead. I will give you 1 minute. So write down system.out.println. Make sure that system first S is capital, guys. And what is this system.out.println? This system.out.println is the displayable function. This is a display function that can display everything on the screen for us. And this below window is your screen that you can see your outputs right here. Left hand side is your project folder structure. Right hand side above is your coding area section, and bottom of the coding area section is your screen, display screen, that you can see your progress or your outputs. Done. Okay, excellent job, Ahmed. Excellent, Inayat Nuri. Yeah, everyone, excellent. Excellent, Sadaf, Masood. Excellent job, guys. Excellent. Now, guys, we understand that what is the system.out.println. It is duties to display a data for us on the screen. Now let's play a little bit with that. Now I will give you the task that on the screen, on the display screen, I need a data printed like this. Let me remove this. Let me make it a little bit small. First, you need to do what? You need to a format display like should be display like this. Name, give your name like I will give FH. Father name, mention your father name like your address, give with your email, give your phone number, give your like birth date, give your like we can say give your family members. That much information I need to display where? On the screen. So for that, I will take an example for you. Now, let's do it. Let's change this. I will remove this system.out.println. Now inside that, guys, or leave that. Now let's create one another program, guys, for that. For displaying family member data. For displaying family member data, now I need to take one another file. How can I take one another file? So come to the basic Java, click on Java basic package, which you did before. Now right click on that, hover on new. Now come to the class directly. Now you're creating directly the class. So click on the class. Once you click on the class, now I will give the name family display. Family data display. Now next target is to check mark this public static void main, guys. Click on finish. I created a new file. You can see that in my basic Java folder structure. Now I have two files. Now I will go with that. I will remove this. I will do what? Just bring this a little bit down. Or if you leave it there, no worries at all. It's okay. So I will do what? And now I will display family members data. For that, system dot out dot println, give a semicolon. For that, for name, I will write Furqan Ahmed Haji Zada. For family member, if I want to write next line, how would I display the next line? Like suppose I will display the address. So for address, take in a new line, again system dot out dot println. Give a semicolon. Now write that inside that address. Put a colon, and my address is Kabul AFG. Now, if I save it, just wait a second, guys. If I save it and run it, how could I run it? On the top of my screen, I have a green playable button. Click on that. You can see that my data is displayed. Name is Farqan Ahmad Ajizada. Address is Kabul, AFG, Afghanistan. Now you need to put whatever information I give right here. You need to give, suppose take that you're filling a form. So you need to print it out, all of your information like this for me. Go ahead, I will give you 3 minutes for that. Start practicing. Take a new file, give it family data display. So start writing code inside that. I will stop the recording, pause the recording for a minute. Now, guys, let's see one another trick with the println. Now, guys, if I display everything, it will come to the next line. System dot out dot println. If I give this ln, everything's printed on the new line for me every time. Like suppose I will written down here, hi. If I run this again, you can see that hi will be displayed on the new line for me. But what if I need to display this hi with the address? But in other println system.out.print. So I will do that. What? I will do this. Look, guys. System.out.print. I will give only the print methods. I will not use the println. So I will write down here, it is written in new system dot out dot print, but it is on same line. If I run this, look at, guys, what will happen. You can see that let me erase this. You can see that everything is printed with hi. If I put a little bit space right here, Control C. If I display it, you can see that hi, it is written in new system.out.print, but it is on the same line. But if you see the code, if you consider the code, it is in two different system.out.println. You can see that it is in two different system.out.print. Now the differences between ln and print only is that ln means bring and display the data on new line in the console or display screen for me. But if I don't use ln, it will tell the system that print everything on the same line. Just go vertically. Sorry, it is horizontally, I guess. I did a mistake. So just go like this. This is the difference between the print and println, guys. Now go ahead, give a try for that. Just like write down a big sentence, you can short it. Just try to write down this thing and see the difference. And once you're done, just paste it in the chat box. Excellent job, guys. Excellent job, guys. Now I will give you another task, guys. You have to take a new file for that, okay? You have to take a new file and print the format for me like this. Inside the screen, display screen, I need a format like this. Like welcome to, sorry, Control Z, deleted. Welcome to the welcome to the website. Just try to display the menu for me like this. Now you have one space, one enter. You have to give at least 2 enter. I need 2 enter down, not 1 enter. After that, you need to display the menus for me. How to write display the menus? For that, I will take it in box. Okay, first, home menu. Second, register menu. Third, you need to login menu. Fourth, I will display as a payment menu. Fifth, I will add what? Logout. Logout menu. Just make sure everything is in capital, first letter. Okay. Now you have to do what, guys? You have to display. Let me see. Excellent job, guys. You have to display this kind of information on the screen for me with the help of Java program. So go ahead and try to write down and display this kind of information for me on the screen. I will ask someone randomly to share the screen after once you're done. So I'll give you 5 minutes for that. Go ahead and start writing the code. Don't worry, I will be here to help you. Just take a new file, okay? I'll pause the recording for a minute. Now, guys, I will try this program. So first of all, click on basic Java package, right click on that, go to new, take a class. I will name it as a only display. I will check the public static void main. This is the entry point of my program. So a new file is created for me. I will remove this. I'll come down. First of all, I will see the display. Okay, my first display is like this. Okay, I need to do what? For displaying anything, I should first write down the what? The syntax of system, the grammar of the system dot out dot println. Why I'm giving ln right here? Because right here, if you see that I don't see any other lines because everything is under the welcome to zoo website. So I need to do what? I need to take the ln for that. Add a semicolon. Inside that, I will do it. I will copy this text because it's a text. I will go right there. I will paste it. Okay, I will make sure that all of the side are equally valid. Okay, now it seems fine. I will run it. Go step by step. Control S, run this. If you see on the screen, I got this display. Welcome to zoo website. I got this kind of display. Now my next job is to do what? To display this menu. But for displaying this menu, guys, I need to do what? I need to give one another enter as well right here. For giving one another enter, I should do what? I should write down the system dot out dot println, an empty println, so that it will only display the record one line down before. Now I don't see anything because I don't have a record. For displaying the menus, let's give a try. Let me copy this. Control C. Let me paste it. I will give it as a 1-home menu. If I run this, I will run this. You can see that, guys, I got the same output exactly which I have right in my display screen. So I get a one line enter. If I remove this line number 8, what will happen, guys? Let's see, save it. I'll save it and I will run it. You can see that my home menu will be patched, will be held with what? With the welcome to the zoo website. There will be no enter menu or no space between these two lines. But if I bring that again right here and if I save it, and then run it, you can see that there is a one enter line space right here that I can see the difference. Now I will do what? I will go for the other menu, system dot out dot println next dash. Which menu? Let's copy that. It's a register menu. Control C, paste it. If I run it, you can see that I got a register menu. Now for saving my time, let's copy this. Let's copy this. Just guys, please try to mute yourself when I'm explaining. Control C. I'll paste it right here. Let's change this data 3 for what? For login. I guess it was login. And 4th for what? Let's see. Payment menu. Yeah. Let's go with the payment. Payment. Let me capitalize this. And last line, I will write for what? System dot out dot println for logout. Logout menu. Now, if I run this program, you can see that I got welcome to zoo website and I got 5 menu with this. Now, hope you guys understand how to play with the system.out.println.
Yes, thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. This was an introductory session.
Yes, teacher, I just shared.
Okay, someone was talking.
Yes, this is and yet. So I just share like a minute or 2 minute video that is like I think earlier one of our classmates asked how to customize the eclipse. So that is useful if anybody want to use customize the eclipse.
Yeah, sure. You can share it on WhatsApp group even in IAT.
Sure,
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Yeah, share it in WhatsApp group if anybody wants to customize the Eclipse, so they can do it.
Teacher Farhad, I just found it out, and if you want, you can do it right now on your screen. I can tell you what to do.
Okay, I guess that was a window.
Click on the
preference.
Windows appearance,
Yeah,
general.
general. Yeah.
Click on the general on the no on the open brick general on the left hand of general,
Okay.
left side,
Yeah.
open it. Click on the appearance.
Appearance.
Click on the appearance on the right hand.
It's light, dark, and
make it
glassy.
dark.
Yeah, definitely. Right
Yeah.
here.
And then you can choose it from there. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Everything. Don't restart. But I love to be in white, my screen, because I cannot see it in this mood.
That is fine.
Yeah.
It's just personal preference.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Thank you so much, Masood. It was a good.
you're welcome.
Don't restart. My eyesight are a little bit weak, so I cannot see in dark mode. That's why I keep the preference in white mode.
No, I know. I know on the location you are at might be early morning, so that's why it's white mode is fine.
Yeah, totally.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
Whenever we have to like make a new project, so we have to select on file, right? And then select new project or
Yeah.
basic Java.
Definitely, definitely. For creating a new project, you need to go with file. But as of now, we create one project, Java Basic. So that is more and sufficient for you guys. Whenever, each and every time you're creating a new file, just click on the package, basic package, and under the basic package, right click new and go to the class. Every time create a new class. That will be a new file for you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Okay, guys, we are winding up here. So we practice with the first introductory session of Java. We learned that what is display method, how we can display the data on the screen. We created the basic general structure of the Java program. We understand that how to create a project inside Eclipse IDE. So tomorrow we will study that how this source code is translated to bytecode and display for us right on the screen. We will go on the theory of that as well. We will start with the practicing variables. So we will go a little bit to the dynamic side of the program so that we will create a calculator programs. We will create little bit complex programs like addition, calculation. We will go with the variables. We have a variable data type as well, and we will see some extra concept as well. Fazil, I will take tomorrow class as well, because not Monday. If you guys are willing to join tomorrow, so join it, because I missed one day in this week. I was sick, so I want to cover it for tomorrow. If you guys can join, so please join. Let's vote it right here. Let me stop the recording.